Hi Flash, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace flower for beginners. This video is dedicated to you. If you like this pattern, so let's see together. Wrap the yarn around your index finger 4 times. Insert your hook, pull up loop, then take the yarn out of the index finger, chain 1, make 18 single crochets all around the ring, 1 and 2. I crocheted 18 single crochets. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a double crochet, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in each stitch, then chain 1, repeat in all stitches. At the end of the row, make a double crochet, chain 1, then make a slip stitch in 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a slip stitch in 4th chain, chain 1, make 2 single crochets in each space. Make 2 single crochets in each space, 1 and 2. Crochet, then meet me. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 8, skip 2 double crochets, insert your hook into the single crochet on top of my 3rd double crochet, then make a single crochet, chain 8, skip 2 double crochets, insert your hook on top of my 3rd double crochet to crochet single crochet, repeat 6 times, then meet me. At the end of the row, chain 8, then make a slip stitch in first stitch. I crocheted 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make 2 single crochets. This is my 1 and 2. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Insert your hook in this space, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a triple crochet. Repeat again, yarn over 4 times to crochet triple crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over 3 times, insert your hook into the same space to crochet double triple crochet, yarn over 3 times, again insert your hook into the same space to crochet double triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook in same space to crochet triple crochet, Once more, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same space to crochet triple crochet. Yarn over once to crochet double crochet. Repeat again. Crochet a double crochet. Yarn over to crochet a half double crochet. Once more, crochet a half double crochet and make a single crochet. Repeat in all spaces. Make 2 single crochets. This is my 1 and 2. Chain 9. And repeat your pattern. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in this single crochet. Make 2 slip stitches in next 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. In the space of chains, make 10 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove your hook, insert your hook into the same stitch, then pull through. In this space, make 9 single crochets in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make 9 single crochets in next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last time. Make 2 slip stitches in next 2 stitches. One and 2. Make 2 slip stitches in next 2 single crochets from next petal. And repeat. Make 10 single crochets in space of 9 chains. chain 8 and repeat. Please crochet in 6 petals, then meet me. At the end of the row, make 3 slip stitches in next 3 stitches. This is my 1, 2, and the last time. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate your taking the time. I value the insight and guidance you provide. I hope you like this video. Your suggestions can help me a lot. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. Wishing you success in everything you pursue. So long.